Oh, it says you need to determine whether the task being added already exists or not. If it doesn't exist, you will add it, and if it already exists, you will set it up for editing. You can use the findIndex method to accomplish this. And let me copy this for a few seconds, please. Find findIndex method. Okay. Thank you. And it says findIndex is an array method that lets find the index of the first element in an array that satisfies a given testing function. And it says here's an example. Okay. And the instruction says declare a data index variable using const. Let's do that first. Data are indexed. Okay. And set it to the result of findIndex method applied to the task data array. Task data array. How did you apply that one? Oh, okay. So, do we have a task data array? Yes, we have one. So, we just have to write task data array first and then interpolate the findIndex method. It says utilize arrow syntax to provide a callback function with item as the parameter. Okay, chill. Provide. Oh my gosh, how do you do that? I forgot. Provide with the item as the parameter. I guess you do that here. Item as a parameter, and within the callback function, check if the what did it say? It says check where it is. Where is it? Where's the check thing? What? Oh, there it is. Check if the ID property of item. Oh, okay. So ID. Check if ID property. If it's a property, item should be written first, and ID and the property as the second. ID item.id is equal to current task the ID. If the task exists, then return this. If the task exists, this returns the indexed. Whoa, I think we're doing it wrong. I'm sorry. Start from the top. Utilize our function to call a callback function with item as a parameter. If I'm wrong, I'm dead, bro. Fur. Skirt. Okay. And is it here? Should this be the -1? If the task exists, this returns an index. It says an index something. Oops, no. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. This returns an index of negative. I don't know. That and there should be a curly bracket here, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. I suck at coding. Oh, there it is. Oh, we should use a strict operator. Your action should check if item that ID the strict operator current task that ID. Excuse me?